Hi guys, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing great. This is Rafael Kapatulan, and for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to have a clickable image for your social media postings. So what I'm trying to say here is if i-click mo yung image, it will route you somewhere. So usually if you will click an image on Facebook, it will just zoom the picture and it will not do anything. So this is a concern brought up by Keith, which is a part of our group, which is VA Rookies PH. And actually, this is new to me, but with some research and with hard work and determination, sabi pa nila, to learn, then we figure out a way on how to nail this task. And today, I'm gonna teach you how to do that. All right, so I'm gonna share to you my screen. Wait lang, wait lang. All right, so if you could see my screen, um, the image that I want to post is this one. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because my YouTube channel currently has only, um, wait lang, yun. So this is my YouTube channel, and going to my page, here's my channel. I have currently 117 subscribers, and but my goal is to have at least 150 subscriber by the end of the month. So I wanted to increase my click rate or my subscriber by having a clickable image or by promoting my YouTube channel on Facebook. How to do that? So first and foremost, you need to prepare the graphics. So again, I'm showing you the graphics that I've created. This is the one. So if you notice here, you can see the word click here. So the goal is if it click ni client or ni audience or ni person ang image na to or ang click here, he will be routed to my YouTube channel, and it will route him or prompt him or her to subscribe. So how to do that? First, go to anyimage.io. So anyimage.io. So here it is. You could just click anyimage.io. So i-search, ilagay ko na lang dito. Anyimage.io. Ayan. Just increase the size. Hindi naman ma-increase ang size. Ano ba yan? Yan. Let's just assume that this is the one. Yon. All right. So anyimage.io. Let's just clear it all. Yeah. So all you need to do is just click browse file and look for that image. So for me, that one, ayun. All right, so it will prompt you on this specific page. Yan. So you need to add the title, description, and the destination URL. So let's create a title. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Actually, guys, it's up to you anong ilalagay mo dito. But for me, subscribe to my YouTube channel para engaging. Engaging ba? um, with the image to be routed to my channel. So that's the description, guys. Huh? You could also use or insert or add all description all you want. It's up to you. So click the image to be routed to my channel. Please support small content creators. Nagmamakaawa effects. And for the destination URL, if you can see that, all you need to do is just copy and paste the link to where you want your audience to be routed. So kung saan mo gusto ma-route yung audience mo when they click the image. So for me, I wanted them to be routed to my YouTube channel. So I want to click to copy that and go to this part, go back to any image.io. And if you will scroll down, you will see, yan. Let's just say, yan. Hopefully, parang gusto kong mas maliit, but wala na. Basta, the important thing is just for them to click here, something like that. Ayan. So let's just make it like that so that they could be. Gusto ko kasing matanggal to. Let's just bana-bana pa. Let's bana-bana it. Ayun. Okay. So once you have figured out a desired image to your social media, and all you need to do is click finish. By the way, guys, there's 3 options for this. There's Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So for me, on my case, I choose Facebook. All right, so let's just click finish. So done. Time to share your social. So if you all you need to do, guys, is just copy and paste. You could just copy or just simply click this button here. Ayun. I-pen natin para makita sa ng mga tao. Yan. 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 All right. So just click that, click copy, and go to your social media account to where you wanted the page or the post to be posted. So let's see here. Earlier na practice ko na kasi. So it shows that time. So let's create a post. So let's see. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the image. Hello. To be routed. Support. Paawa effect na naman. Support. Please support local content creators. Thanks. God bless you. Mwah, chup chup. So make it as engaging as you want, guys. It's up to you. It's basically up to you. That's basically the good thing about being a content creator, because magagawa mo yung or malalagay mo yung all you wanted on the page. So for me, adding the heart sign, and of course, hindi ko kakalimutan yung mga hashtags ko, because hashtag is very powerful. Hashtag VA Rookies, hashtag VA, hashtag Virtual Assistant, WFH, Work from Home. Yeah, let's just finish it. Let's just finish this, guys. Give me a minute, okay? Tutorial, okay. So here's the most powerful part, guys. So remember the link that we've copied here. Let's do it again. Remember the link. So all you need to do, guys, is just copy the link or paste the link, I mean, and you will notice that it will show up here. Yan. See? All right. All right. So check lang ng corrections or some final retouching, review, just to make sure that when you published it, it looks presentable. Because what's the purpose of doing this if your post is not presentable? So parang hindi ka nag-promote, parang nag-post ka lang just for the sake of posting, di ba? So let's just proceed on posting this. All right, so not now. Let's see if this works, guys, okay? All right, perfect. So let's see. Ito, ayun, ayun. So let's go here. Here, this is just a normal image. If you can see, if you will click that, it will just enlarge the image. But for what we did earlier, this is the image that we have created. Let's try to see if this routes us to somewhere. Let's click it. Oh my! So let's just click follow the link. I guess this is just Facebook making sure that all of our transaction is valid. And voila! See, guys, it works fine. It works perfectly. And see, is it that amazing? Diba? Amazing kaayo, no? So have you, I hope you've learned something from this video. This is just supposed to be a short tutorial, but I guess parang napataas. But I hope you learned something, guys. If you have some questions, concerns, or clarifications, just let me know. And we're gonna work that out. And we're gonna post it here on our YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is RapCap Graphics. Rap cut off the third. Yan. Yan, guys. Yan. That's my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, if you're not a member or if you're new to our community, please follow. Wait lang. Bato. Please follow my Facebook page, which is varookies.ph. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned something. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something and see you guys next time. God bless you and laban.